this is the pipe that came with the oil meter. So yeah, I went to this place where you will find that they have every different type of pipe, all the pipes that you can get in the whole world, except for one type of pipe, and that is this pipe. Okay, or that's how it felt like. Okay, so then actually somebody recommended that I use another pipe that can go on the outer of this. So yeah, I got this fuel line that seems to fit almost. Okay, it's actually a little bit too thick. Okay, the hole is a little bit too thick, but in any case, what I've done is okay, so what happens is people are telling me this pipe will not last, mainly because of the heat. Okay, so the thing is, why I don't believe them is because you will see the oil doesn't circulate. Okay, it just goes into this, but it doesn't circulate. So there's not really a way. If this is kept far enough away from the engine, this pipe, it should last. It should not have a heat problem though. Pressure problem, yeah, what I've done, as you will see on this side, I turned the screw into it, and yeah, I tested it. It worked. Okay, so now the next step is to cut this using a hacksaw, or I actually don't know what. I'm thinking of using a hacksaw. And then afterwards, because I need now this pipe going into there, so because this pipe obviously doesn't fit over there, so I will need to cut this a small piece so that I can fit it into that side. And then yeah, that's basically what my plan is. The hacksaw theory worked. It sort of took a long time to cut through it. Maybe I was impatient, I don't know. But yeah, it worked. And now the next step is to get this. Okay, where is that little thingy? That little, I don't know, yeah, why is it now out of focus? Okay, in any case, there it goes. Okay, maybe I should do this first, and then this little piece that goes like that in there. Okay, okay, and then loosen up this hole, remove that little screw of mine. There we go. And okay, my clamps. I've got two clamps over here. Let's see, this one like that, this one like that. That doesn't go in there. Oil all over the place. There we go. Okay, just to give you a quick detour or a tour of my work. Yeah, it seems to be leaking somewhere. I will have to sort that out. But that is what it looks like at the back. So I've extended the pipe using another pipe. I will have to sort out the leak. It seems that it's only there. It's made to fit over there, so I don't think it will be too difficult to sort out. In any case, we will see if it's working. I've got the theory why it's leaking on this side and not on that side, and it's actually what happens over here. This one, I had a bolt inside of it, for inside of this rubber black tube, okay, and I think that has stretched it out and make it thicker and the hole thicker. So now what happens is that's why it's leaking. So I'm going to cut it with a hacksaw again and then insert it again, and we'll see if it works. It has to work. The other side is working. This side, there's no reason why it should not work.